I know.
Oh.
Wait, what are we vlogging about?
Just our day.
But there's nothing interesting going on today.
You're right.
Hey
Hey guys,
guys,
welcome back to the channel. Today we're just doing a little bit of a daily vlog. It's just kind of a chill day for us. So we just woke up and had what chocolate chip pancakes. It's about like 295 calories if you just eat like a half a cup of the batter with some about 15 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips in there. So it's a pretty good breakfast. Normally we add some like bacon or sausage in there, but we didn't have any, so today we're not doing that. But yeah, we figured we'd just let you follow along on our day. We'll be going to the gym and then just working. I'll be working from home. We got heavy squats today.
Hype.
And I think we'll go grocery shopping and stuff. So if you want to see how we live a regular day in our lives and everything like that, then just keep watching. So it is like 12:18 p.m. So I haven't had lunch yet because I'm not really quite hungry yet, but I did have a Think Thin bar, and then I had a scoop of my Opti Greens. I take these every single morning. Oops, sorry, Maxie. And then I had a pack of my oh my gosh, I wasn't even in the shot. But these are my Microfactor like multivitamin pills. So it comes with an antioxidant pill, 3 multivitamin pills, a CoQ10, a fruit and veggie. Are you kidding me? Like, why? Anyways, a fruit and veggie pill, a probiotic, and then an EFA. So I take those every day. And then I'll probably have maybe like a protein shake and like maybe some avocado toast or something before we head to the gym and everything. But I'm just kind of getting some work done, about to do my makeup. So yeah, I'm just going to do my makeup real quick, probably get a little bit more to eat, and then after that, in a little while, we'll be headed to the gym. And it's a heavy day today, so it's gonna be really fun. So, yes. It's a few hours later now. I did my hair and my makeup. I've really kind of been feeling these braids lately, so I'm gonna keep doing them because I feel like they're a really cute and easy way to wear my hair at the gym. So I just did my hair. Brendan's home from work finally, and we're going to head to the gym soon. I think I'm gonna grab a pre-workout snack though. I think I'm gonna have maybe some avocado toast and maybe a protein shake. So I will show you what I'm having. So right now I'm using the Sara Lee, you can't even see me, I'm using the Sara Lee 45 calorie delightful bread, and I just put 1 slice of that in my toaster oven, which is right over here. Really cheap one that I got at like some random like Home Goods or something like that, I don't even remember. Then I'm just taking an avocado and slicing that up real quick. And then I'm gonna take probably about 30 grams of it and put that on my avocado toast.
My girlfriend is so beautiful.
Yeah, so then I'm going, oh my God, I literally cannot talk today, guys. Holy crap. I'm just going to take my First Form level 1 protein. This is like their meal replacement protein. And this is in German chocolate cake, thank you. Maxie, you're in the shot. And I'm just going to take a scoop, and I think I'm gonna do a scoop and a half because I have a good amount of protein that I still need to eat today. So I just put like 8 to 10 ounces of water in a cup, and then a scoop and about a half of that in there. And normally, like, if I'm taking my protein shake somewhere, I'll use a blender bottle, but I lose those like literally all the time. So instead I just use a cup when I'm at home and I know I'm gonna be drinking it at home, and then I just like kind of mix it up with a fork. Then for my avocado toast, so my bread is ready and I just put that on a plate, and then I use my little scale right here and I have it set to grams. You can change it by pressing the little unit button, and then tare like equals it out to 0. So I'll put the plate on and then I'll go back to tare so it goes to 0. And then this is probably gonna be really hard to show, so with trying to do it with one hand, so I'm just gonna use the counter. But then I just weigh out. All right, so that's 32 grams. But I found that right about like 30 grams is a really good like weight for like the amount of avocado that I want on my toast. And then I'm just taking a little bit of the Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's a bad boy. Come on. Come on, go down there. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, season that. This stuff is so good. It like changes the avocado toast, and that is that. So that is going to be my pre-workout snack. And then we're gonna go to the gym.
Sounds pretty lame.
You're pretty lame.
I'm so awkward in front of videos.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are currently headed to the gym to do some heavy squats at like 90%. Holly's doing my program, so
90% of our max, like our maximum squat that we can do. In case you're not like a fitness fanatic and don't know what that means.
everyone loves fitness though. So, but yeah, she's been on my program. She's been on it for 5 weeks now, 6 weeks.
Yeah, something like that.
And she's made some crazy strength gains.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Stay tuned. We're doing trying to go for personal records in 2 weeks, 3 weeks actually.
Yeah.
3 weeks.
I think we both can hit new maxes in all 3 lifts actually.
Yeah, I've been feeling really good. She's been looking really good. But today we're gonna test it out, do 90% of our max, and hopefully those feel good. If that feels good, then we know for a fact we're gonna be balling out on max day.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just headed to the gym, got our pre-workout, about to listen to some heavy metal. Okay. And yeah, okay. We'll see you after.
All right, we just got out of the gym and
It's gonna fall over.
now we are headed back home. Gonna take our post-workout protein and carbs, and then we're gonna head to the grocery store because we really need groceries because we don't have like anything at all. So
Don't even have toilet paper.
don't even have toilet paper. Like literally do not have any toilet paper. So that's fantastic.
Great workout though.
Yeah, we had a really good
Very
workout.
good workout. Holly hit some big numbers. See,
Ooh.
let me turn.
Yeah, I'll let you just hold it.
Holly hit some really big numbers.
So did you.
Well, I mean, yeah, but they weren't really like PRs or anything, but it just gave us a perspective of like what we're gonna be doing in a couple weeks.
Yeah, I'm so excited to hit like new maxes and everything.
She was supposed to do 180 for 4 sets of 2. She freaking killed it, so I bumped up to 185 for 4 sets of 2, and she killed that too. And I was like, okay, I don't want to go too overboard.
Yeah.
But next week we have heavy singles, and I think I'm gonna bump her up to 200, which is her old 1 rep max.
Yeah.
She's gonna be repping that out pretty easy. And that's good. I'm hoping she can hit
225.
225. Yeah, here in a couple weeks. We're tapering right now, so gonna get all that strength up.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was doing my top set today was 455 for 4x2, and they flew.
They were so quick. They were so quick.
Yeah, it felt really good.
I mean, obviously y'all saw them because I'm gonna insert like a couple clips from our workout so y'all can see, but Yeah, they were quick.
Yeah, just
job.
an overall good workout. We got a good pump into. And yeah, pretty much our day.
Yeah.
Go grocery shopping and eat some yum food.
Thanks.
Okay then.
I feel like this accidentally turned into like a supplement day video, so I'm just gonna keep rolling with it and show you guys what we drink post-workout. Maximus likes 2 scoops of protein in his for maximum gains.
Some exciting news, by the way. We're getting fried rice.
Yes, we are. Well, you're getting fried rice.
Oh.
I'm getting sesame chicken and steamed rice. But anyways,
All-time favorite meal.
The first thing that we have in our post-workout protein shakes is the First Form Formula 1 protein, because this is a protein isolate, so it's gonna absorb up into like your muscles faster and help them restore like the bonds that you broke down earlier in your workout.
Sorry, you make a mess. What?
And then we also use their Ignition, which is their like carb glycogen replenishing, so it restores the glycogen in your muscles really quickly and everything. So we just do 1 scoop of each, but Brendan does 2 scoops of the protein just to get in a little bit more protein each day. So yeah, that's our post-workout shake.
That footage though.
Okay, so now it's like 9 o'clock at night. And we were gonna go to, so we went to my parents' house because they offered to buy us food and I needed to pick up my credit card because someone freaking bought stuff for their pet on Chewy.com on my credit card, so I had to cancel it and get a new one sent in. So I went to go pick it up because it shipped to my parents' house, and then we had some Chinese food.
Fried rice, boy!
I had like 8 ounces of sesame chicken, and I like have really weird macros left. I'm over on my carbs by like 8 grams, under on my protein by 8 grams, but then I still have like a lot of fat left, and because 1 gram of fat is 9 calories, I have like almost 200 calories left, so I don't know what to eat. I'm like, maybe I should just eat like a tablespoon of butter and call it a night, but that's gross, so I don't know what to do.
Also had a phone meeting with our gym designer.
Yes.
Future gym designer.
Iron Cavalry coming soon. Follow us on Instagram at Iron Cavalry Gym.
So yeah, we talked about all the equipment and stuff, and it seems pretty pricey. But
Yeah, but it'll be worth it.
it'll be worth it. Gonna be really nice, gonna look really sleek.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's all the same equipment.
So come work out with us when it opens.
Oh, you better come work out with us.
But yeah, so now we're heading back home, and I know when we said earlier in the vlog that we were gonna go grocery shopping, but it's so late now, and the only thing that we really needed was toilet paper. So we just stole some from my parents' house. So we're just gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow, but don't worry, we're gonna daily vlog tomorrow, and we'll bring you along when we go grocery shopping and show you everything that we got, in case you care about that. So I guess we should just end the vlog here.
What?
I said I guess we should just end the vlog here.
Yeah, sounds good, bro.
Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also subscribe down below by hitting that red button. Also follow all of our social media links, which will be down there as well, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye! Alright, it was funny the first time.
No, I feel like it should be a thing.